Hi guys, good morning. To discuss about the process plan. ARUNPRASATH, I am working as a mechanical engineer, PS in College of Engineering and Technology. Okay, guys, you may hear about the planning because this process is very. Okay, first of all, before I enter the process planning phase, what do you mean by process? You have an item. Process is nothing but where I doing something. I'm doing some activity. For example, I am planning a okay travel means from here to Madurai or somewhere else. I planning. If I am planning the travel means I can. Okay, today I am in college. Over o'clock I need to travel from. Then I am pick the bus at some time. They can book already. So whatever else they can process. Simply process. Where I am simply think where I am want to pick my bus at the time I know the time it's if I book the bus means the booking time I know. Okay, otherwise it doesn't book means I'm thinking when the bus is available, where bus is there, start my travel at this time, where is in time. So everything I will think. This process is nothing but here for our case. I am just to travel. Chennai. Planning means in the which time I need to pick the bus and which time I need to night dinner. So this is planning. So likewise, guys, in the mechanic where we are component development, where the software tools to develop the components and whatever that. But without this process planning, it into converted model. Please listen to me. Where we have the tools to okay, where we have the tools to design. Okay, as well as we have the information, all the available. But without planning, convert this planning to a product. Whatever we can okay, what are all the components there in a pen? Okay, normal refill when we have the refill with us. Then okay, then cap, then some all these pen mode. Okay, if I am all this in a single mode, I won't manufacture any I need to prepare the cap also separately. So guys, where this is a process. Process I know of when I have a mold, I need refills and I need to connect it on and packaging and distribution. So process of a pen to the market for sales, not only for all the products what we use to sell pen drive, pen watch, shirt, all we use nowadays, everything own process, the process planning only, the concepts and everything. Required number of raw materials, machines required, how much money we need to spend, electricity we need to spend, how facilities, everything we just plan through only this process planning. So for all the manufacturing sector, okay, this process plays a key role. So guys, now I hope you will understand process plan. It's just a process, but it is a step by step information of because the production needs enter into the concept. I want to okay. Do you the difference between production and okay manufacturing process? finished manufacture. The simple example, drilling is the manufacturing process. Casting is the manufacturing process. Casting is the manufacturing process. So the nothing but a process. But production is nothing different from the manufacturing. Manufacturing is one of the, because this product is about the profit, sale, loss, or information. Where is these three factors? Production need product is sales in the market from the how, if whether the product is saying what how much company experience. So all into in that products and manufacturing is one of. Okay. So now you people are the concept of and manufacturing. If you have any doubt, to ask me. I will give my email distribution link. You can contact me. Okay. So then now we enter the systematic examination of, okay, where there we clearly give uh, the selection of process, specifying a process, how much amount of conversion of raw material finished product is there. Information about a process, studying a process planning. So it's how manufacturing planning, material planning, all the industries, guys. Once you visit, you people are in plant training or there you can monitoring the software. The software in the left corner of the software, they will. Okay, nowadays having the LED display board, but in earlier days, people they are having the display board. Where in display board they will so much amount of work to be done today. Okay, many employees are working here in this. What are the roles and responsibilities of software? All the information in that board itself. Now, process planning is consists also called as is nothing but it will so for we can take in pen. Okay, for man a portion of the pen, how much for manufacturing the cap of number of days, how much raw material, how many employees needed, what are these, whether we need to move with outsiders. Information is available, that is called. There is another best example for the post plan, because we are post on a 5 units. In that they give separate how is of each unit. For we have the faculty utilize 45 hours. It is not a problem, but it only come below that 45 hours. So this is the best example for your process planning where you people can frequently crossover, because we people there classroom type of learning. We are that we are as that's why I will the process plan consists of a detailed work. Okay, as it is earlier, how much amount of process, how many number of, what are all the steps, what are all the name of the machine, the size and shapes of the jigs, information is available. For your another point I need to discuss with you, jigs. Okay, and mechanical machining, jigs. Jigs are nothing but a tool guiding device. This work holding device. Okay. So here two holding. So the top one ambient time. That's all. This is the role of the system. Actually, we need to hold the. It obviously need to hold this workpiece. So where is that because workpiece is not a part or it is not very dimension to process. People they are using different fixtures. Similarly, the specimen size is different. Same, I am working with me, the specimen size is different. So based on the specimen size, because in industrial as well, people the dimension, they are work for the production sectors, they are used setups for jigs and fixes. Will using through their produce 1,000 units or 2,000 units, whatever numbers per day, they can use in single jigs and fixes. So we won't think about whether we need to change the jigs and fixes. That's not okay. That's not at all. People they won't have that habit. If they want new numbers and everything, they can have a time. Okay, for use 100 units in I can run the 100 units for setup. Then after I can run another units in different fixtures. I want to interlink that. I work with the 100 units. I want to immediately I want to print another. I won't interrupt in between. Okay, these informations we need to know about the planning. So guys, where the role process as well as it can schedule the process, it will give all the information about and control. Okay. Then concept of process planning, where it will have the product information, operation growth, verification by means of make or buy decision. This is one of the important component in our process planning. In the earlier video, I will said whether we can about the process planning, whether we can buy or we can make the product. How it will be done, guys? Now listen. Thread. Okay. Sorry, I want to manufacture. Okay. The number is okay. 2 lakh numbers in it. Okay. Whether them because whether I am manufacturing this, I have my own worker. I have my own machine, own raw material. Extra money to the labor. Okay, that is the point. Otherwise, persons who are manufacturing as with less than 2 lakhs, less we are having means obviously we are move forward. If possible means they can move forward. Decision is taken in the make or where people can think about whether manufacturing of the product or whether it's the product from outside. Nowadays, the rent to take LG washing machine, LG refrigerator. Components present inside is not manufactured by LG. Normally, they are buying their components and they are assembled. Finally, sealed their name as LG and most of the products, whether we can like Sony, Samsung, okay, It's not at all 100% because most of the sectors production only believe their supply. Okay, the suppliers are there, small supplier is there. They can manage kind of, they will give these gadgets to the assembly line. They will assemble, they will sell their product in the name of their brand name. Okay, guys, this is I want to share with you about the make or buy. All the process is completed, process planning as well as making of the product. Finally, they will think a small like you mold and nut everything itself in our sector. Otherwise, we can outside. The main point it played a key role here is the money. Okay, they just simply cover the money and availability of facilities. But once this side our for the manufacturing side of purchasing from other side, small scale industries. Once discussion is come, you know, for the scheduling. Scheduling is nothing but they will have a total numbers in their hand and total time in their hand. For example, period, I need to manufacture 3 lakh of product. 3 lakhs means 30 days in our hand. We need to produce 10,000 products per day. They just simply and based on the category fund, material, men, machineries, power, electricity, all enter into the production product. Once based on like a program, how we are programming, just simply put guys, this is the process planning is the concept where we are keeping all the information in the store throughout the process line. For example, the production of 30 days means throughout the production, they have all the information, men, machine, and material. This men, machine, and material plays a big the process planning. It's not only a process planning, all sectors. Okay, then everything is completed. Won't come into the production. So this is a small root where detailed process plan. The detailed process planning is not all the detailed information. Now I want to see the software, the name of the person, he did, what type of work he will do. Everything is so this is a detailed process. Is that this is small. Then whatever the I did in the sense, guys, first they trying. It's saying that it can whether the software are available. That software there. Once the drawing is complete, okay, they just simply analysis of drawing for the office because the higher official and the company they have to take the decision. I want to mark okay. So name for the product shift. They have all the design and they will add some latest facility. So once the design is completed, the design is to get the permission of our management members, then the project will be executed. Okay, I hope you people are understood what I am saying. So in the analysis where then are the be evaluated and they will then after the changes we look for the operation. What is the first step? What is the second? And we just give that also. Then equipment is required. Then after this requires some these products are to the market with the quality check only. Without the quality check, they won't product to the market. But earlier that concept called is random sampling. So random is the aerial they are randomly choosing in rows and columns. And they are choosing numbers from the rows and columns. They just ensure the quality of the product. Nowadays, people they won't think about that. Each and every product in the market we are with that quality assurance. If you want, you can take any of the product. There is seal. You can see a seal. A tick of that quality inspection is. So nowadays, we are having this for all the products in the market. Whatever we are having, then is once then they are documented all the process because this it can took around 1 or 2 because once the schedule is released we won't not at all material wastage because based on this schedule to the production line they will execute this schedule. This is the process. Process is the activity of the process. Then type of drawing, detail assembly drawing, combined. You people may aware of this, the box drawing. In the sense where we are having with the diamond, whatever component we are drawing, whether I want me the engine components like piston, crankshaft, this thing to draw separately. Finally, in the assembly stage, I am of the component with dimension. In the bottom of the it will add some information. Okay. Then factors of process planning, shape, tolerance, surface, quality. These factors affect planning where we are the plan without detailed information. Simply schedule people get a 10 and to simply schedule 10 wrong. You people took how of that material. Either I am okay or what some other material. Listen to me. Provide the all. It doesn't fail to provide information. Obviously, it should be the big factor. We are in the very good our computers. No possibility of losses there because the drawings not be generated. These are the factors which influence every day people to develop their drawings. So what are components we need to draw the people there? But nowadays we are having a software tool we can produce. Okay. Innovation useful for the production. Normally, engineering materials people may know metals, plastics, then composite. They are classified based on the content of the ion, ferrous, non-ferrous, amorphous. Then plastic, thermostat, elastomers, nothing but rubbers. This ceramics for vitrified purposes. Ceramic has the ability to withstand more or more moisture. It's also some of the type of material. But in the preparation schedule itself, guys, where we are studying all and discuss about what the national for the process, what is the material. Based on the application, everything will look like that. Because we keep application as a constant factor. Then based on the will drive all these things, selection of the material, everything. And then they will give the type of metals are classified ferrous and non-ferrous. If the metal of ion content, those things you know, metal, ferrous, ferromagnetic, these are some classes. So pure 100% of not the correct word. More amount of in the material that is called that ferrous content that is called as ion. Based on that varying quantity. Then non-ferrous metals like copper, aluminum, brass, tin, some of the metals also. And watch in our video types of process. Guys, process planning is classified into two categories. One is manual process, one is computer-aided process planning. Manual process planning is nothing creating that schedule and everything by means of hand or I said workshop, get some hammer, then you can come back to the hammer. Likewise, I will give all the information man the interventions of computer and by draw the plan by using hand. That is another type is called as computer-aided process planning. Computer-aided process planning into two type. Another type is the type of process planning where we are creating all the information first thing. I will create all the information that is called as generative type. Retrieval type of process planning I will use in the generative type that is called as differentiate this generative type and variant retrieval type. So generative pen with me, okay, with me, where the same pen he took my pen and changed the color. Okay, I have the pen. The color of the pen is black in a block in color. The same me and you can just remove that block, give the blue color cap. Retrieval type. This is the simple difference between generative and retrieval type. So in industry purpose, people they are preferred things. Okay, but some more point important whether we are moving with the generative type. In generative type, guys, having that ideology to create, we have that imagination, the programming skills to design. But in the retrieval type, the only thing is needed. So we think about the parameter selection and informations about generative type and retrieval. So the steps for before, then I will show the diagram. First, manual process planning. We discuss what type of shape we are want to manufacturing a. Okay, for the manufacturing of the piston, I need to normally a circular component. Basic. Then adding all the. Then I will just simply draw, give you the number of quantities. I draw how much amount of. Then labor, everything I will give simply by means of a. Then you will do this. So this is called as manual processing steps. Where the advantages means where it doesn't not require skilled labor. So now we can segregate manual type of process planning scale industries. I want to manufacture 10 for the mass production line where we without the help of manual process planning, we manual process planning for wasting of material. But the same case where computer-aided process planning, it won't be happen. You get all the information through the computer, provide all the information about and manufacturing systems. Okay, friends, guys, from the advanced. So this is the simple diagram. Same. So wherever we can design a part, we need to give a code for that part because we won't know that is called as group technology. In that group technology concept, we this concept is called as coding system, where the classic nowadays people they are following because I am manufacturing n number of connecting rods. I need to know how many can somebody and how does it will have the part family classification. So I will give the separate code and I production. This is the simple concept we are using in the generative process planning. The same concept in the generative type process planning. We are did some editing in the sense where I am changing the details of the system. Otherwise, the process plan. Yes, okay, same procedure. Everything is. I will do some call us retrieval, right? Okay, give some information about the uh, so some of the exams is there. Some problems. If we are planning everything is correctly, and we are code for the action or production. There is no very much delay. Okay, so everything is clear. All the we did as per the it is very good without a very results because all are mass production sector. Water industry you can industry or IS building industry. So they are investing a crore and crore of money time. They may because the industry point of view each time. Okay, they will penny of money for the keeping the time. So guys, this is very important. In the mass production sector, the role of this process planning is very. So without this process, none of the business can move. None of the component is converted. So none of the component is come to the market to the okay generative. Okay, that's those things they will discuss. This is the actual approaches, industry based approach. This being justice for your references. That people are understood what about introduction about the process planning. In the next video, we are discussing about process. Some important points I forgot to discuss here about that because the make or buy decision is one of the important